Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Freegal Music, our free music service for library card holders that allows you to stream and download music, music videos, and audiobooks from the Sony Music catalog. Today I'm demonstrating with an Android tablet, but these instructions are the exact same for using Freegal on an iPad. To start, tap on the Freegal Music app to open it. If you don't have the Freegal app, you can download it for free from the Play Store or the App Store. Enter in Kawartha Lakes as your city. It may already be filled in if your tablet or iPad is allowed to know your location. Tap Continue. Tap on Kawartha Lakes Public Library and enter in your library card number with no spaces and your library PIN number. If you don't know your PIN number, try using the last four numbers of your library card number. Tap Login when you're done. On the home screen, you will find many featured lists, songs collected in themed playlists, albums, songs, music videos, audiobooks, and artists. Tapping Browse on the bottom of the screen will let you see and listen to the top albums, songs, playlists, music videos, and audiobooks on Freegal. See the new arrivals to the music collection and other collections. Scroll a list of music genres from A to Z, and check out different collections of playlists, artists, music videos, and audiobooks. Search is as it sounds. It allows you to search for songs, albums, artists, composers, playlists, music videos, and audiobooks. My Music lists all the songs, music videos, and audiobooks you have downloaded and the playlists you have streamed or created. All downloads are yours to keep. You can keep them on the Freegal app or download them to your desktop or laptop computer. To check how many downloads you have left, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. You have a limit of 3 downloads per week. If you need more help with using Freegal or do not know your library PIN number, please email us at libraryadministration@kawarthalakeslibrary.ca. Thank you and happy listening.